Hey girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply gel polish onto natural nails. After washing your hands, you're going to take the professional cuticle pusher and push back the eponychium to reveal the dead cuticle that is stuck on the nail plate. This is also known as pushing back your cuticles. This step is really important to allow you to have more room to place your products on the nail, as well as removing the dead cuticle from the nail plate, thus prevent lifting in your manicure. You do want to do this step very gently to avoid damaging the nail. After pushing back the cuticles, I'm going to take a small buffing block, and using the smoother side, I am going to buff over the surface of the nails. When using a buffing block, you don't want to use one that's too smooth, otherwise the gel polish will not stick and you will get lifting in your manicure. Doing this step is to rough the surface of the nails to allow the gel polish to adhere properly. When doing this step, you don't want to over buff or file the nails, you're only removing the shine of the natural nail. I'm going to go ahead and buff the surface of all of the nails. After buffing the nails, you can also clip down any excess nail length and shape the nails how you like. I personally did not remove any excess nail length or file the nails. I only buffed the surface of the nails to allow the gel polish to adhere. After buffing the nails, I did remove all of the excess dust from the nails. After the nails have been dusted, I'm going to take the protein bond from the premium jelly liquid kit, and I'm going to be applying a layer of this onto all of the nails. Protein bond is a dehydrator which removes all of the oils from the nails. This step is really important if you want your manicure to last. After the protein bond has been applied, I'm going to wait a minute for it to dry. If you don't have this, I would recommend to take some rubbing alcohol and a lint-free wipe to rub over top of the nails. This will dehydrate them and remove any oils from the nail bed. I'm then going to take the adhesive primer, and I'm going to be applying a layer of this onto all of the nails. Primer acts as a double-sided tape, which just allows the product to adhere better to your nails. If you experience lifting, this is the most important step to do to prevent lifting in your manicure. If you experience very bad lifting, you can apply 2 layers of this product onto the nails. Make sure to allow the product to dry fully in between each coat. You also want to try not to get this product on the skin. After the primer has been applied, I'm going to wait a few minutes for it to dry. After the primer is fully dry, I'm going to take the base coat from one of the polygel kits, and I'm going to be applying this onto all of the nails. This is a gel base coat, and it is important to have a very good foundation when doing gel polish manicures. This step can also allow the manicure to last longer and prevent any staining on the nails. When applying gel to your nails, you want to try to stay a hairline away from the cuticle and sidewall areas of the nail to prevent getting any gel on the skin. I'm going to continue and add a layer of base coat onto the rest of the nails. After the base coat has been applied, I'm going to have her cure under the UV LED nail lamp for 1 minute. After the base coat has been cured, I'm going to take the color 602 from the Bella Vena gel polish and nail lacquer sets. This is the gel polish version. This is a very light purple, kind of like a lavender color. When applying gel polish, you want to make sure to wipe one side of the brush off on the neck of the bottle. This will prevent having too much gel polish on the brush. I'm going to go ahead and start applying a thin layer of gel polish onto the nail. You do want to try to avoid getting any of this product on your skin. If you do get any polish on the skin, wipe it away before curing under the nail lamp. I'm going to go ahead and add a thin layer of gel polish onto all of the other nails. When working with gel polish, it's a lot better to do multiple thin layers of gel polish rather than one thick one. If the gel polish is too thick, it will not cure under the UV LED nail lamp, which will cause the gel polish to wrinkle. Gel polish is one of my favorite ways to polish the nails. Gel polish is self-leveling, so you should not have any ridges or lumps on the surface of your manicure. It also lasts a lot longer than normal nail polish. Because gel polish does not dry on its own, you have as long as you need to get the perfect gel polish application. Because of this, it also makes for the perfect medium for nail art. You have as long as you need to perfect your art before curing under the nail lamp. Because gel polish is self-leveling, it can flood the cuticle or sidewall areas of the nail if you apply too much or too close to the sides. So be cautious as to how much and where you apply the gel polish. After the first layer has been applied, I'm going to have her cure for 1 minute. You do want to make sure to do full cures in between each layer. After the first layer has been cured, I'm going to do the same step for a second layer of gel polish color. You can repeat this step as many times as you need to get the opacity that you like. I would recommend to do 2 layers of gel polish color. I do have a few tips for you guys for applying gel polish onto your nails. The first tip is to apply the gel polish onto the thumbnail last. The reason for this is gel polish does self-level and it can cause the polish to run onto your skin or to get an uneven coverage of gel polish, so make sure to do the thumbnail last. The second tip is you can hold your hand upside down for a few seconds before curing. This will allow the gel to self-level into the perfect position for your manicure. If you are a beginner, the best advice I could give you is to start with less gel polish than you think you'll need. The reason for this is a lot easier to add more gel polish than it is to clean up any mistakes. So make sure to be cautious as to how much gel polish you're applying to the nail. After the second layer has been applied, I'm going to have her cure under the nail lamp. After the second layer of gel polish has been cured, I'm going to take the tweezers and the gold snowflake stickers from the Winter Angel Dip Powder Kit, and I'm going to be adding some of these stickers onto the nail. When picking up nail stickers, you do want to be very gentle to prevent ripping the sticker. I'm going to place the sticker on the corner of her middle fingernail. After the sticker has been placed, I'm going to make sure there's no air bubbles in the sticker. I'm going to be adding more nail stickers onto the nails. After the nail stickers have been placed, I'm going to take the top coat. This is also from one of the polygel kits, and I'm going to be applying this onto all of the nails. I personally love these gel top coats. They are no wipe and they give the nails a very beautiful shine. When applying the top coat, you want to do the same step as the other layers of gel polish. You want to make sure not to apply too much polish to the nail, as well as avoid the cuticle and sidewall areas of the nail. You can also cap the edge of the nail to prevent the manicure from chipping. After the top coat has been applied, I'm going to have her cure under the nail lamp. And the last step of the manicure is to take the cuticle oil, which is number 6, and apply this onto all of the cuticles. It is important to finish off your manicure with cuticle oil. I'm going to gently massage the cuticle oil into her skin. And here are the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not already, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!